All right, welcome to the Bitcoin Radio Network. I am Crypto Famous, and WTF is going on with Bitcoin going to $6,000. Is this serious? Could this happen? We have some inside information on what's going on in the market. You're going to want to stay tuned today because we're going to break it down to you why the dip in Bitcoin is happening today. I know there's a lot of speculation out there. Today, we're going to cover it right after this. All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, like I said, we are going to be covering the news today on WTF Bitcoin is going to $6,000. Are you serious? Okay, let's find out exactly what is going on. Let's turn my mic down just a bit here. Yeah, it's a little bit high. There we go. All right, now let's talk. We're gonna jump into what is going on with this market today. You guys are going to be excited to hear what happened and what's going on and where the future of Bitcoin is going to go. We've got all the, I guess, all the different avenues that you can look at right here in today's episode. It's going to be good stuff, so we're definitely going to want to stay with us on this. All right, and you know, we're also going to be jumping into our notifications for our YouTube channel, and so let's go ahead and jump into that. And Georgie is back up on top. Good looking out, boss. We like to see that. And my man, guess who's on top again? That's right, Georgie's always on top. The boss, true boss. He's always there. One right afterwards. All right. Romel Sniper, will Bitcoin actually replace traditional currencies? Well, I think in the future, Bitcoin will be the replacement of all financial securities due to the fact that they're going to jump on the blockchain for the security, and something in this world is going to happen. Could be a war between nations, could be, I guess, a private terrorist attack. You know how terrorists are worldwide right now. So I think there's going to be a big event that takes place, a natural disaster, something that's going to drag down a major economy in the world. And when that happens, I think that the community is going to rely on the blockchain and is going to rely on cryptocurrency. So yes, do I think that we will be adopted? I do believe this is the one world currency, even spoke about in the Bible if you want to get particular about it. But that's my take on that right there. All right, back Williams. What's up, Crypto Famous? Quick question: is cryptocurrencies a currency or an asset? Well, it just in you know, I'm not the SEC definitely, so I'm not going to look at each individual coin. But that's exactly what you have to do. You have to look at each individual coin and see what the tokenomics are of that coin to decide whether it is an asset or a security. You know, I'm staying neutral. I'm saying that these are not securities. This is a decentralized application, and that's how I feel about it. And I think it should remain decentralized. That's the way the system was created. So that's my take on that right there. Big ups to all the bosses that commented in the sections below. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys keep it up. Every day we will feature somebody new, or if the first one on the site as well to comment, we'll get that. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you know that you're notified immediately when we upload a video. That way you can be the first one to get on and make a comment. All right, so when I come back from this little switch over here, we will be talking about WTF Bitcoin going to $6,000. Are you serious? All right, let's go do it. We're coming back. There we are. All right, let's jump into this right here. All right, this is a medium right here. So what we're going to do is the $415 million elephant in the room. OKEX, OKEX features unfiled the BTC USD liquidation. The past couple days, everyone in Bitcoin futures market has been following the trials and tribulations of Mr. OKEX. He is the #1 top contract holder who accumulated a $460 million long position on the BTC USD quarterly futures before getting liquidated. All right, my man JR from Whale Pool documented the rise of the $460 million position and the fall. And we're going to get into that right here. As they've been saying, there's great laughs and big, dumb, rich guys get wrecked being reckless. The only problem is that the liquidation did not get filled in the market, and there's now a $420 million overhang in this week's settlement period that impacts all three maturities on BTC USD futures. Okay, at the current price of the writing of this at 7,850, I think we're down to what, 7,500, somewhere right in that era. Yeah, somewhere anyways. But at the time of the writing at $7,850, this will cause 950 BTC system losses in futures. The shorts pay the profit in the longs and the vice versa. So if a bankrupt trader is forced out of a position in a low liquidity market, there's a counterplay is earning the profit from a corpse. All right, but have no fear, OKEX insurance fund is backing the system as a safeguard, right? That's what we're told anyways, that OKEX's insurance is funding and backing everything. Wrong. All right, the insurance fund consisting of the maintenance margin salvage from liquidity traders has a whopping 10 BTC, which is not quite enough to cover the tab. All right, so now kind of get the feel of what's going on. All right, these guys are trying to all liquidate that money that they just made, and guess what that's doing? That's driving our price down. Just as I told you guys about a week or two ago, whenever you do see this fall, don't FOMO and start selling off, because that right there is going to drive BTC down. If we are going to be strong investors, we have to maintain our investments and keep a strong positive attitude about it, because when things like this happen, and as a result, if the price stays at the level that the profitable traders since last set, let's see, get that off my screen up there. I don't know what that is up there, but all right, in a result, if the price stays at the level of profitable traders since last Friday until this Friday, we will have their gains dented by 940 BTC, and 950 loss minus the 10 BTC of insurance coverage. As a per socialized loss crawlback system, all right, this is catastrophic for the BTC. And the interest of the quarterly contracts is 800 million. Now, in more than half of this amount is in short positions. So, has the P&L that does uncover due to this bankruptcy, or due to the bankrupt, the #1 contract holder, while it is not clear how much the profit or loss has been exchanged in this period thus far, but plenty of people could open and close positions and earn a profit which goes unsettled until Friday. Now, this massive loss could end up causing the largest crawback in history. All right, that's why I say this baby could go back down to $6,000, and if it does, don't freak out, buy some. This is going to, and this was unexpected, all right, as far as that goes. I don't know what that is, but get that thing out of there. All right, now if the market recovers before Friday's settlement, 2018 here in Hong Kong time, then the 4,160 million dollar contract will sell at about $8,020 a share, represented the unfilled liquidation, and it may get filled, which would make the system whole, and with a 0% callback. But if the market continues to drop, the loss on the unfilled order will continue to get worse, moving the crawlback rate higher and higher. And this is unfortunate that this could happen due to this, but it could go back as bad as 40 to 50% potentially. And if we're looking at that right now, and this goes to 40%, 50%, at, you know, we're at 7, whoa, baby, we're down to $3,000-$4,000. That could be very dangerous. Now, in the past, the OK coin, as they were called back then, would make a special case in periods like this to provide some of the backstop to maintenance in yeah, I can't read it. You got to blow that up. That's too small. We got to get the thing on there. It's too far away. All right. All right, where were we then? Oh boy. All right, let's go there, right there. If the market recovers before Friday, the settlement in Hong Kong, then the $4,160,000 contract could sell at $8,020, representing the unfilled liquidation, may get filled, which would make the system whole, a 0% crawlback. But if the market continues to drop, the loss is unfilled, and the order will continue to get worse, moving the crawlback rate higher and higher, as much as 40 to 50%. In the past, OK coin would make special cases in periods like this to provide some form of a backstop to maintain the integrity of the markets. All right, so we need to keep confidence in the markets, and it's hard to do that whenever you got people that are dumping big amounts like that in, you know, whenever they're trying to cash them out. What do you think is going to happen? So we have to just, you know, play it by ear to see what is going to happen. Are we going to continue to fall? Because if we do, it could be catastrophic for us in BTC, but just for the short period. Okay, just for a short period of time. This isn't going to something that catastrophes into BTC going down to zero. This could affect it pretty well. There is doubt in there, so it's not a guarantee that BTC is going to go to $6,000. So I'm not trying to create any FUD or anything. I'm just trying to let you guys know. It's these futures, man. These guys made tons of money on them, and now they want to cash out. And if it's shorted long, vice versa, what have you, know, they're going to get their money, just like you and I would in there. So, yeah, that's just some inside information. Some people were asking me why the market was dipping a couple days ago. And a couple days ago, I'd have to say, you know, South Korea pulled the stock or the crypto tax breaks, and there was a frenzy going on in the Asian markets while you were asleep. And when you woke up, you seen the dip in BTC. Now we're looking at the forecast of what the hell is going on right now, because WTF Bitcoin going to $6,000? Are you kidding me? It could very well possibly do that, and maybe even possibly go down further. If we'll have to just wait here and see in the next few days. All right, let's go to the next one here. Cryptocurrency market update. Altcoins continue to slide. Everything down. I mean, we're talking, you know, 11, 12, you know, 3, 4, 5, 11. I mean, just look it out there. I mean, it's just, they continue to slide. All right, the roid has not proceeded over the past 24 hours, and the crypto land seems to have found a level where the markets have settled, and this is just above 270 billion in terms of the total market capitalization. However, the outlook is still bearish right now, guys, and that's just, you know, and that sucks. But you know, we were looking for this big climb. Tika came out, gave a bunch of, you know, insights out on the the Glenn Beck show. We seen that, so you know, and then we seen a good spike in it after that. But look what's happening, and these are facts that we have to deal with these futures that they set up. All right, so it's still looking a little bearish, but Bitcoin has made marginal moves higher, but is still around the same level it was trading last at this time yesterday. BCT resides around 76.50 at the time of the writing, and the technical signals indicate that it could move higher to test the 78.50 resistance level. All right, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this resistant level to get broken through there, and if that happens, we could actually be in the safe and sitting pretty good and not have to worry about it going back down to 6,000. But definitely keep that in mind, and don't be surprised if it did happen, because you heard it first right here on Bitcoin Radio Network. All right, now Ethereum has not fared so well and has continued falling, dropping 1.4% to $420. And most of the altcoins are also still falling, corresponding to the CoinMarketCap status this morning. In the top 10, EOS and Cardano are still falling faster, with over 4% declines on the day. XRP has fallen back from yesterday's pump to trade at 0.44 to 2.5% lower today. So if you couldn't get it yesterday during the FOMO, go ahead and get you some today. It's 2.5% lower. All right, now in the top 20, VeChain is getting bashed up once again with a 10% slide to $1.49 from its weekly high last Thursday, or to $2.67. VEN has lost 27%, and over the past month, it's down. It is down a similar amount. Ethereum Classic is down 4.5%, with Tron, Dash, and Teos also following 3.5%. The only altcoin in the green in the top 20 at the moment is Monero, and it's up 3.7% to its $127. The XMR, however, is down 11% on the week. Further down the list, Bitcoin Gold and the Decree are equally posting small gains of 4 to 6%. The top performing altcoin of the moment in the top 100 is Kickcoin, Kickcoin, with a 28% pump, which is likely to dump again soon. The recent hack and promise of a full refund by the team will have reserved the investors' confidence in the project. It's always good to know, but you know how many times we hear that in crypto? Oh, we're going to return it, and then something happens, and then boom, they're gone. Hope that doesn't happen on this case. But a few other obscured altcoins, including the Emercoin, the Metaverse, the ETP, the Bitcoin Private, and Chainlink are also up around 9% out of all the altcoins listed on CMC. All right, and the Civic is at the top of the moment with 144% surge. Wow, man, too bad. If you didn't know about some CMC, I missed that one right there. I guess our team missed that one. That one's up 144% surge in the last 24 hours. In addition, VeChain, WaltChain, PunDX, and Nano are all getting beat up upward today with a 7 to 8% declines. All right, there are no cryptocurrencies exceptions at the moment in the top 25. Total crypto market capitalization has not really changed over the past 24 hours, and it sits just over 272 billion. The trade volume, however, has fallen from 15 billion to a little over 12 billion since last Thursday. Now, the crypto markets have shed 10%, which is equivalent to around 30 billion. All right, and that's your update on your coins right here at the Bitcoin Radio Network. You've got what's going on in the current coins and tokens and all coins. You got it all right there. All right, let's move over to the Boston man accused of stealing $2 million in cryptocurrency. All right, who could this Boston man be? All right, a college student from Boston was detained last month after allegedly stealing at least $2 million in cryptocurrency and hacking phones owned by tech executives, according to prosecutors in California. Joel Orts, 20 years old of Alston, was ordered held on $1 million bail following his arraignment on 28 accounts of grand theft, computer hacking, and identity theft in the wake of his July 12th arrest. Well, you might as well get used to them little thin beds and them small pillows and very thin blankets, son, because when you do that kind of stuff in America, you're going to prison for a long time. All right, if you're proven guilty, that is. All right, he alleged that he had over 250,000 in cryptocurrencies when he was detained at the Los Angeles International Airport on his way to Europe. Prosecutors in California said Orts took control of his victims' cell phones using their SIM card and changed their passwords and hacked into their emails and social media accounts, cryptocurrencies accounts, stealing millions. I'll be right back after this.
Extreme Graphics has been designing and installing some of the best construction and real estate signs in the country for 15 years. We also design and produce banners, bumper stickers, flyers, and small yard signs. Don't forget about our outstanding vehicle and off-road vehicle decals and lettering. Remember, a company without a sign is a sign of no business. Contact us at 763-241-1661. That's 763-241-1661. Or email sleddecal@aol.com. Remember, Extreme Graphics.
Let's try something different.
Join BNN for the 6 o'clock news with Crypto Famous Monday through Friday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Famous will keep you up to date with live breaking news as it happens. Also, live interviews from the leading platforms in cryptocurrency. A Media 1-3 production, exclusively on BRN, the Bitcoin Radio Network.
Now it's on. There it is. Haha. What the heck is going on over here? All right, we got it back working here. All right, battery must be going out on this mic anyways. But all right, so these guys managed to take over cell phones, and by impersonating the victims on the cell phone carriers such as AT&T, talking them into approving him access to the victims' phone numbers. In one case, Orts allegedly even walked into an AT&T retailer in Georgia to do a SIM swap. All right, one victim was told the investigation was attending the Consensus in New York cryptocurrency conference in New York City in May when he lost his cell phones. When he lost cell phone service and instantly knew that he was being hacked, because he had heard of this happening to others in the cryptocurrency circle. Correspondence to the court documents, despite the victims immediately making efforts to get his cell phone back at the AT&T store, all right, across the street from the conference. Investigators say Orts stole $1.7 million in cryptocurrency from him. $1.7 million right off of a phone. Right off of a phone. That's why security is #1 on the list, people. You can't be jerking off here. I mean, this is some serious stuff. You wake up one day and $1.7 million is just not a drop in the bucket. That'll make a grown man cry right there. All right. All right, Orts in information technology majors at the UMass Boston and the Boston High School also spent thousands on parties and rented mansions and the designer and spent millions on designer clothes, according to the Boston Globe. So this kid just jacked everybody and just went out and had a hell of a good time on it. Let's go to the next one up there. All right, for just R70, you can join Africa's cryptocurrency rush. Let's see what's going on over here in Africa. Sales of a safe coin, SAFCOIN, an exclusive African cryptocurrency, opened this period, giving South Africans the opportunity to invest in tokens before the rest of the world. Did I not say this was going to happen, that each nation was going to start coming out with their own cryptocurrency? Hello, I'm right again. They will come out with their own exchanges as well, and we're seeing them developed as well. Why? Because it's the future, and they know they either got to get on board now or they're going to be left in the dust. And as you know, big nations and so forth, they can't be left in the dust. I mean, they're supposed to be there to control the land, right? All right, during the initial coin offering, the ICO, 500,000 SafeCoin tokens will be made available to investors with the valid South African bank account for just R70 per token. In October, the remaining 5 million in crypto coins will be listed for sale on the local and international cryptocurrency exchanges, as well as on exclusive SafeCoin exchange. See, like I told you, they're going to have their own exchanges, they're going to have their own coins, they're all coming out with it. That's what it is. Famous knows what's going on. Been in this game a long time. Now, when the price of the coins is expected to increase, at the same time, all valid tokens will be converted into tradable coins. All right, Neil Fafiria, the director and co-founder at the blockchain company FHM, says SafeCoin aims to make cryptocurrency investments easier and comprehensible for the average South Africans, from the curious dabbler to the serious investor. And that's what cryptocurrency is about. You could absolutely know nothing about stocks and investments, but get into cryptocurrency and you have to learn it very quick. And it's not rocket science, people. Don't be scared to sit down and watch a video on how to learn how to trade and how to learn how to read charts. It's very easy once you get it, and then you watch the patterns over the time spreads, and you develop your own patterns, and you can see them, and you can know when to make money and when to hold and when to sell. Buy red, sell green. Turn the wheel, baby. All right, we want to make cryptocurrency trading as accessible as possible to many Africans as possible, says Fiera. So it was crucial that our platform was easy to use, protected, and that the tokens were affordable. For the price of a takeaway meal, South Africa can be a part of the growing cryptocurrency movement. All right, now you can become a crypto investor in under 10 minutes, and here's how. All right, you can go to safecoin.co.za and register for a free as a new user. Select buy tokens now, read through and accept the terms and conditions, and select the number of tokens that you would like to buy at R70 each. All right, choose the verification method of either email, text message, or enter a one-time password, and you'll be sent the pay quickly and securely with iPay and confirm the transaction on your phone. And that's it. You're officially a cryptocurrency investor in a referral program. You can tell others about it. You'll get free tokens. You'll be issued a unique referral code, which can be found on your profile section in the SafeCoin site. You can send this coin to friends and family and earn 5% commissions on their token purchases. For every 20 tokens sold using your referral coin, you'll earn 1 token. All right, so that's what you got over at SafeCoin. You guys want to check it out? Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. Go check it out. All right, the first cryptocurrency SIM jacking. All right, SIM jacking case brought in California. All right, United States stepping up its game. One unnamed cryptocurrency entrepreneur claims that he had 1.5 million in cryptocurrency stolen while attending the Consensus blockchain. We just covered this over there. And according to reports, the motherboard a 20-year-old college student named Joel Orts. Well, we just covered that. All right, so let's go to the next one. Maccoin, not a real cryptocurrency, and rides on craze's coattails. All right, so let's see what this is. On Sunday, McDonald's officially announced its collectible limited edition Maccoin to celebrate the 50th anniversary of its Big Mac burger. Through this advertising, starting on August 2nd, customers can receive a Maccoin with their purchase of a Big Mac at one of 14,000 participating restaurants in the U.S. starting August 3rd. The promotion will extend to locations in over 50 participating countries. But that's it. The Maccoin is not a cryptocurrency, nor is it a part of any token sale. The coin itself is a physical object, only redeemable for a Big Mac. There is nothing crypto related about this marketing whatsoever, so don't get caught up in the frenzy. Like I told you guys, I'd warn you when things come out there. Now, for all my bosses that are real bosses and they make some good comments down in the comment section of this video, let me know. Huh? You gonna get yourself a Big Mac? Tell me I'm a boss and I'm getting myself a Big Mac. All right, put it in the comments down below. All right, however, various news outlets have reported that the fast food chain was issuing its own cryptocurrency to give some credit. All right, the McDonald's news release used ambitious languages to describe the Maccoin, calling it a limited edition global currency. And the promotional video was a complying that the article also introduced the coin as a food bracket currency with the name similar to Bitcoin and the current glut of blockchain news. It is understandable that somebody would put two and two together and assume McDonald's was joining the trend. If any of the Maccoin announcements could get considered in a marketing gimmick, make sure you put on your I'm a boss hat, because I'm a boss hat, you'll make sure when you're wearing that hat, you won't get suckered into gimmicks like this. And Famous will try to do his best each day to keep you from getting caught up in any of these little YouTube scams or anything going on. I'm going to be the first one to break it out. Nobody's talking about the Maccoin. I'm the only one out here, so we're telling you that this is right here. They're not doing anything to develop anything. A lot of people seen like, oh man, these guys put blockchain on the end of their name, and all of a sudden, guess what? Their stock went up 116%. So now maybe McDonald's is trying to jump on that same bandwagon and use this coin opportunity with the cryptocurrency hype to improve their stock in the Big Mac. Who the hell knows? But I don't eat McDonald's. Actually, I do every now and then. I gotta be honest. But anyways, I try not to unless I'm all the way up north and there's no good natural food places, then I'll chow down over there. So Maccoin, huh? I don't know. I'm not down with the Maccoin, but hey, you could get yourself a free Big Mac, I guess. I guess that's something. All right, next one here. Co-founder of Wikipedia has zero interest in cryptocurrency. All right, so Jimmy Wales, a man with a mission, he may be the best known as the prolific founder and co-founder of Wikipedia. Wales stands behind an empire of accomplishments that can be the best summarized under the Wiki moniker. All right, that has abandoned almost all of his establishment web priorities. All right, the latest of these is one of those that appears on his primary concern as president, in which he stated in 2017, it's called the Wiki Tribune, and it clearly carries on the loved ones' names and not all of the associated principles. All right, the Wiki, W-I-K-I, Tribune, Okay, let's see. They meet Snoop's on here. And as for profit, which a company posts itself as a website which promotes and encourages and works towards the evidence-based journalism as it means of combating fake news. All right, in the stark contrast to its original coinage by the U.S. President Donald Trump, Wiki Tribune appears equipped to achieve its goals with a team of mainstream media experts and hard left pundits such as Charles Anderson and Fiona McLeod. All right, this is a hypothesis, but it's all been confirmed by the prevailing of the stories, such as the English, the language, which gender bias, who to blame, dictionaries or people on their websites. Who knows what the heck's going on? They're certainly having their popular search engines protected with all the results of the query. The Wiki Tribune being dominated by praise published by global and national level news corporations, if not being owned outright by the Wiki Tribune itself. If crypto is a bubble, the recent news suggests that he could be correct, with the market falling after Bitcoin dropped from a heavily position above $8,000 to $7,630 by the time of the creating of this writing, which was to ensure the fuel to fuel the flames of the FUD during this dip in the market of this roller coaster. It's always a roller coaster market on a ride on cryptocurrency. Oh geez, I just lost everything. Oh boy. All right, let me get it all back down there. All right, I don't know where it was, but all right, doesn't matter. Let's just go right here. Oh no, it was further down than that. All right, sorry about that, guys. Man, I just lost my spot on the. He's trying to find it right now. All right, here it is. All right, is cryptocurrency a recent? Is it a bubble? Recent news suggests that he could be correct, with the market falling after Bitcoin dropped above a healthy position above $8,000 at $7,630 by the time of this grading, which to ensure the fuel to flames of the FUD during the dip of the roller coaster of the market. We have seen many times before this. It is more likely that it is just another one of those down moments before getting to enjoy another complimentary bull run, and the phenomenon which we've all been reporting since 2016. Now we're really expecting to see BTC hit this. Now, I mean, with futures and everything, we have to see what happened when they came out, when they tried to liquidate them. Excuse me. All right, and so that's all new to us, and we're seeing the effects of it. And sometimes you know how to judge that market, sometimes you don't. Because this is all new, we're all kind of learning that that feeling that this gives us. So when I get back from this station break, we're going to jump into it and find out the truth right here on the Bitcoin Radio Network.
A question for you. Do you know what is in the air you're breathing? Do you know what chemicals are placed in the water you drink? Would you like to combat these intrusions? I'm not just talking toxins. I'm talking about chemicals that are harmful. Maybe now you understand why you feel tired so much. Change your life with Life Change Tea. Cleanse from toxins and chemicals and lose weight. Receive energy. There is no better investment than your body. Log on to getthetea.com. That's getthetea.com. Or you can call us at 928-308-0408. That's 928-308-0408. Friendly operators will take your order and answer your questions. Be set free and live better. GetTheTea.com.
BRN, all systems ready.
Bitcoin activated. Blockchain activated. Ethereum activated. Litecoin activated.
All systems ready for launch.
3, 2, 1.
You're listening to the Bitcoin Radio Network, #1 in cryptocurrency.
All right, welcome back. Welcome back. BRN, Bitcoin Radio Network, Crypto Famous here. All right, what do we got? About 15 minutes left here in today's broadcast. Been fun hanging out with you guys, and I always enjoy coming over here and dropping the knowledge on you guys, letting you know what's going on from day to day in cryptocurrency. It's always fun. Let's get into this here. We've only got 1 or 2 articles left, and then we're going to jump in and talk a little bit about what's going on in crypto here at the broadcast and what we've got planned and why you want to stay tuned into us to every single day, because things are going to get so much better, and they already are. All right, SBI invests $9 million in an institutional grade cryptocurrency derivatives platform. $9 million investment. Japanese financial service giant SBI Holdings has invested $9 million in U.S. digital marketplace. The architect clear markets of the fund that laters creation of a cryptocurrency derivatives trading system built for institutional investors. All right, Nikkei Asian review reports that the SBI crypto investment has obtained a 12% stake in Clear Markets, which is headquartered in the Charlotte, North Carolina, and has branch offices in New York, London, Tokyo, and through the terms of the deal were not disclosed, the publication shows that SBI likely paid 1 billion yen, which is about 9 million in US dollars there, for its minority ownership position in the company. In funding Clear Markets, the SBI aims to build a derivatives exchange that allows institutional investors to trade investment products tied to the price movements of the Bitcoin and other crypto assets, such as products which may include futures, opinions, and swaps, and allow institutionals to hedge other positions that they may have in cryptocurrency market, reducing the risk and enabling them to lock in their earnings or migrate their losses. All right, along with the lack of access, regulated custodians, the dearth of cryptocurrency derivatives products is often cited by institutional investors as an explanation that they have not felt comfortable allocating the capital into this industry. All right. At the present, the U.S. is home to 2 regulated exchanges, the CBOE and the CME, both based in Chicago, that offer Bitcoin future contracts, and the cryptocurrency trading system LedgerX offers institutional investors several of these derivative products, including calls, puts, and day-ahead swaps, but it has yet to attract the consistent, meaningful volume. Nevertheless, the industry analysts are confident that the tide will turn over the course of the next calendar year, largely due to the entry of the new custodians into the market and the programming of the new platforms that provide institutionals with more flexibility to know how they obtain exposure to crypto assets. Earlier this month, SBI became the first banking establishment to directly launch a cryptocurrency exchange. That platform, VC Trade, serves Japanese retail investors. Previously, SBI, which has formed a close partnership with the U.S. blockchain startup Ripple, led funding rounds in several large cryptocurrency exchanges, including the Tokyo headquartered Bitflyer and the San Francisco-based Kraken. All right, so that's that one right there. And right, so we're going to jump over to another article here. And while Ed is getting our guys to load that up, Got a great team over here. Big ups to everybody at Media 13, BNN, the Bitcoin News Network. All you guys doing all your hard work. Appreciate you, and we love you. And we do this for you guys in cryptocurrency. So we could be out enjoying our profits on crypto on a beach somewhere, relaxing, drinking, maybe a beer here and there, but we don't. What do? We stay studied in cryptocurrency day to day, making our trades make money for us, educating the public about how adoption is happening right underneath their noses, and people have no idea. So, all right, the crypto price tracker at the CoinMarketCap launches a professional data feed. All right, so CoinMarketCap's got some new add-ons. CMC, CoinMarketCap, of course, launches professional API. The website has long supplied users with basic zero-fee API, but the new product offers more data points as well as higher rate limits to meet the needs of the professional users, such as trading firms. All right, the hobbyist, whoa, I went a little bit too far. The hobbyist tier starts at $79 per month, while the professional tier will set projects back $699 per month. You say, famous? That's a lot of money. I say, well, I got guys in our crew right here that are paying $1,000 just to be a member of Blockchain Whispers. But them guys over at Blockchain Whispers, our friends over there, man, they're no joke. They're very good. If you don't know about Blockchain Whispers, go check them out on Telegram, blockchainwhispers.com, I believe, as well. You can check it out there, $1,000 a month. But you want to check these guys out as too. All right, the service also offers an enterprise level, the API that can be customized to meet the fund of the developer's specific needs. As a part of our mission to continue growing in the cryptocurrency sector with our partners, our professional API will ensure that the coin market cap data that users know and have confidence can be integrated into everyday applications, said Brandon Cheese, founder of CoinMarketCap. Our API comes with the best-in-class developer dashboard that will help every developer from hobbyists to large-scale cryptocurrency product terms to make the most out of our data. The release of the CoinMarketCap suite for new professionals and the data feed products follow the announcement earlier this month that the website was going to take an increased measures to provide users with data and analytic tools, answering the criticisms that the website did not allow providers or it did not always provide an accurate picture of the actual state of the cryptocurrency market. It's been one of the complaints on CoinMarketCap forever. All right, now toward the end of it, they removed the minimum volume requirements for the cryptocurrency exchanges seeking to publish their data to the platform, removing one motivation that upstart exchanges had to try to manipulate the website's statistical algorithms and rank higher on CMC's daily volume charts. Again, we want to state that our philosophy is to provide as much information as possible to our users so that they can form their own conclusions and interpretations and not introduce our own bias into the mix, the company said at the time. All right, Tuesday's platform update begins to fulfill that promise with the new exchange ranking system that gives users more tools to analyze the exchange data prior to the update. Volume statistics might only be viewed over the rolling 24-hour period. For now, users can view volume bi-weekly and monthly intervals. All right. Additionally, CMC now identifies what fee model and exchange uses, since this can have heavily impact on the venue's volume. CoinMarketCap also announced in today's update that the company will be adding data form derivatives markets and over-the-counter OTC exchanges to its platform, providing consumers with a more comprehensive view of the markets outside of their spot cryptocurrency exchanges, which most retail investors frequently visit. All right, so that's your take right there. What do we got here? We got about 5 minutes left. All right, I'm gonna give that there. Right, so. All right, so let's see here. We're going to switch over here real quick, and we'll be right back. And
BRN.
So, check it out. All right, we're in the control room now. Famous, your favorite anchor here at BNN, Bitcoin News Network, a Media 1-3 production. Man, these guys are getting better each day. It's so crazy just to walk around in my shoes. I think my mic was cutting out there for a sec. Just to walk around in my shoes for a day. Wow. I get totally exhausted by this time every day. And you know what? Today, though, I'm going out. I'm going to play me some golf right after here. It's a nice day out, and we're going to enjoy some of this weather out here. And I hope you guys can do the same. Get out from behind that computer at some time today. Go outside and enjoy if it's beautiful in your area, of course. Go out and enjoy some of that beautiful air. You know, my doctor always tells me, he says, you know what? You're so stressed out over crypto and everything going on and all your projects. He says, just go outside and stare at a tree and watch a bird for a little bit. It'll help relax you. So that's what I do to stay relaxed. Give it a try. You know, what the heck. All right, so things going on here. You guys can definitely check out some crypto coffee. Hey, you know what? Crypto Famous has not been in the link below. So I caught that yesterday. I do apologize when I've been saying for the last 2 days to subscribe to the link below for Crypto Famous show, and it hasn't been there for you to subscribe. So we'll make sure we put that in there today. I do apologize for that. Like I said, I just overlooked it. So we'll get it taken care of. What else we got going on here? We've got some great conferences coming up. Man, I'm just getting bombarded with blockchain conferences worldwide. I mean, we might as well just go on tour and take the whole network with us and just roll right through all these conferences and do shows along the way. I think that's going to be fun. But yeah, we're going to be very busy throughout the rest of this year. We've got some very big projects that are coming up. We've got an exchange and a whole new token. And guess what, guys? This is not going to be an ICO, so I'm not going to come to you and say, hey, come join this ICO. We're not going to do that. This platform that we're developing is just, it'll be prepaid for in advance. So there is no ICO. It's going to be a really nice exchange where it's going to feature this video that you're watching. We're actually licensing this exchange to feature our video on it. So they'll have the news over there. It'll be another great another outlet for BRN to continue growing. So that's some definitely good news. Just stay safe out there in cryptocurrency right now. Don't FOMO out. I'm tethered up. I'll tell you that right now. I'm tethered up, and I'm going to stay tethered up during this little rocky period. And if we break that resistance level, then I'll tell you what, then I'll come out of tether and get back into the game, and I'll let you know when I do that. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, who knows. But like I said, I'll let you always know what I'm doing with my BTC. I'm tethered up right now. I'm not taking any risk for that coming out tomorrow. I think we're going to see the effects of it tomorrow. Hopefully not. Hopefully Bitcoin remains stable and we all walk away from this safe and happy. That's what everybody would like to see. Let's see here. Crypto coffee. You guys got to get you some crypto coffee. It's excellent coffee. It's the finest bean out of Colombia. You're going to love the coffee. We did taste test on it and everything. People loved it. So yeah. Let's see, anything else out there? Advertising. If you're looking to do any advertising for your ICO platform and take it to the next level, Media 1-3 has many solutions to take care of. We have airdrops, bounty programs, social media packages, our own packages right here on the Bitcoin Radio Network. So yeah, most definitely take advantage of that. Email us at info@bitcoinradionetwork.io, and when we get that, we can go out there as well. Don't forget about the Disrupt conference in San Francisco coming up here. We got Dubai conference that you guys definitely want to hear. I heard Dubai is an amazing conference to go to. So if you guys want, you got to get out there to that as well. Well, that's the end of today's show. It's been great hanging out with you. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Until then, we'll see you back tomorrow at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time on the BitcoinRadioNetwork.io.
The opinions expressed on the